host Sardana, and today we are going to do what's in my bag. Tiny comb जो मैं बहुत rare use करती हूँ. Well, my hands does the job well. 1 lip balm, 2 lip balm, 5 lip balms. I have a factory of lip balms. I don't like to apply too many chemicals on my face. I am a little old school. I use Borolene. My sunglasses. This looks cool. So the interesting thing about my bag is, since it's a tote bag and I always keep one bag organizer in my tote bags just to keep the things not so messy. The same way इस bag में भी एक I don't know how to show this, but it's like it is more of like it's a bag organizer. It has all the things very much organized in a way. And now let's start with my makeup kit, which is always with me. So this is a very small tiny makeup kit और इसमें आपको जो basic चीज़ें हैं वो मिल जाएंगी. Like we have lip balms, 1 lip balm, 2 lip balm, 5 lip balms. I have a factory of lip balms at home anyway. Then we have this concealer, we have mascara, lip liner, tiny brushes. So yeah, this is a makeup kit that goes with me wherever I go. Then we have this compact, which is not in the makeup kit. I don't know why, but okay. Then we have clutcher, 2 clutcher, 3 clutcher, और भी होगा. बेसिकली इतने सारे क्लचर इसलिए हैं क्योंकि मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ मैं एक क्लचर भूल जाती हूँ वहाँ पे. सो जितना हो सकता है फिर मैं अपने क्लचर्स इंक्रीज करके रखती रहती हूँ. तो ये भी मतलब आई थिंक 2 वीक्स का ही स्टॉक है. इसके बाद ये भी चले ही जाएंगे, कोई किसी लोकेशन पे, कोई किसी लोकेशन पे. देन आई हैव अ टाइनी Borolene. I'm a Borolene person. मतलब I don't like to apply too many chemicals on my face, so I keep it very simple. I am a little old school. I use Borolene. I always keep Borolene with me. And then I have my specs. मुझे नंबर तो नहीं है, but these are like blue screen glasses. And this is just to not to put so much of strain on your eyes. I anyway had this eye LASIK surgery 3 months back, so I take care of my eyes more now just to avoid that strain because of that Instagram scrolling and all. So yeah, this I always keep with me. And then I have my, of course, eye drop because I just had a surgery. So these are my eye drop. And then my sunglasses, which I can show you guys. This looks cool. Yeah, these are my sunglasses. ये मैं change करती रहती हूँ as per my costume and all, what I want to carry with me. Oh yeah, then I have this thing. This is, I'm a very much like a fragrance girl, but I'm more of oud person and less of perfume girl. So I keep oud with me all the time. This is from Al Oud Arabia, and it has a very nice fragrance actually. This is, wow, I love it. So I'm a oud girl basically. So I always keep oud in my bag, like always. So I like the packaging also actually. And then I have my AirPods, of course, my AirPods, and yeah, tiny tidbits, cash, cards, because it is important. Tiny comb, just to, जो मैं बहुत rare use करती हूँ. Well, my hands does the job well. And now since I'm shooting, so I removed my rings, but otherwise I am always wearing these 2 rings. One is ruby, one is red coral. My pandit suggested me. And then I have this. Oh, this is interesting. ये मुझे gift किया था मेरी friend ने. So this is a portable perfume. So you can actually refill it, and then you can refill with any perfume you want to refill it with, and then you can fix it back and this. So you don't have to carry that whole 90 ml ka perfume. The tiny thing does the job. So this, I'll actually love this. I love this so much. And then my phone, my hand cream. As I said, I'm a fragrance girl. So yeah, and what is this? Ouch. Oh, पेन बाम, रोल ऑन बाम, क्योंकि मेरे सिर में कभी कभी बहुत दर्द हो जाता है. बट एनीवे आई कीप दिस ऑलवेज. दिस इज लाइक ऑयल. सो जब भी पेन होता है यहाँ पे, कभी यहाँ पे, कभी यहाँ पे, सो आई ऑलवेज कीप दिस विद मी. सो आई थिंक प्रीटी मच डन. या दिस वाज. एक वाटर बॉटल मैं हमेशा अपने पास रखती हूँ. वो अभी मेरे बैग में है नहीं सिंस आई एम एट होम, बट आई ऑलवेज कीप वन वाटर बॉटल विद मी in this bag. So yeah, that's all. So that was my bag.